Anyways.
Shh.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. Know what I mean?
100 been off for 0.2 seconds.
What can I be off?
Normal.
I'm normal.
Okay.
I got blood coursing through my veins within my body. Did you know that skin is a organ? Off of this place. Anyways. No.
I swear to God.
You want me.
What do you think we're gonna spawn, best friend? I mean, we've never played this game before.
I've never heard of this game.
Alright, well, we spawn in the forest.
You told me to download it, so I downloaded it. I'm gonna try not to sing. Look, how's the weather up there? Oh,
Thought I was Jimmy.
no, you're Al Chapo.
Stop calling me that before I get a restraining order.
He's not actually Al Chapo, guys. Oh, whoops.
Oh, there you go. Down to hill. Oh,
I love you, my
African.
biscuits. No, it doesn't. Okay. Take that. So kind of
Take that. I meant to only hit you once. Wait! I don't know where it was. I got so scared.
You got me one shot, bro. Oh, I should probably open the. I know how to play this game. I mean, I don't.
Yeah, we've never played this.
I got my map, but with my axe. The first game was really good. We bit that.
This is the first
After
game.
a lot of attempts. You know, dying from the boss. Chicken, I don't even know if there was a boss. Did you guys finish it without me? I mean,
Maybe if you played more.
I don't know. The first one was like. Oh yeah, I forgot about you, Kevin. I'm Calvin.
Oh, so did I. I'm gone.
Not nice.
Wait, is that a helicopter symbol where we spawned?
Hmm?
Because if so, we spawned right next to a cave and we didn't even go into it.
Oh, we did. Oh, that's probably the, what do you call it?
Oh, is that that water cave? With the zip line?
Starter cave.
There's not a starter cave for every location.
Oh, they're only on for the snow.
I'm pretty sure.
No.
I mean, I have no clue. I've never played.
But we played it just before. But the files got corrupted, trust. Trust, it totally did. Totally just didn't forget to add my voice into it. We played for like 2 hours. Definitely 2 hours, or not 1 hour. I think I'm burnt out, bro. I'm a bit tired. So where's the cave? Are you at it?
I have no clue what the cave is.
Yeah, you're at
Oh,
it.
some free supplies.
Yeah, the supplies over here.
Cool. Good for you, loser. There was spiders underneath that one.
Loser. We should probably build a base in this one.
Why is there a butterfly on my axe?
What do you mean? So this is the cave. No, this is not the cave. This is not the cave.
Hurry up, break the last plank.
I already did. There's no plank.
Okay.
What can I go in?
There, go.
Already entering a game, that's crazy. No way we already found this cave.
Nah, it's not. Because that one was near the water, remember? I mean,
Okay.
don't remember.
That's okay. Oh, there's a lot of watches.
Why is so many arms and legs advertised as food?
Yeah,
We don't even have spears yet.
There's a lot of things. Nah, we're getting out. I'm not doing this right now.
No, we're not.
We're not doing it right now. Look down here. There's already the things.
The watch, we have no clue.
Oh, true that.
Hello? Can I leave, please? Can I leave my backpack?
Yeah, you can.
Why do you have to pick something in your backpack? You can't just press tab to close it.
You can. You can literally just press tab.
I hate you so much.
But look. Tab. Tab.
Because you're not understanding. You're just being retarded.
Oh, hello there.
Hi, low.
Okay, wait, let's walk in, Oh, what else? Oh, I killed it.
Logan?
No, freaking way. Ow! Yeah, boy. Get out of there. Don't leave my sides, boy. Come back here. Oh, yeah, one house. Oh, ankle's broken. Ankle's literally destroyed.
Bro, stop collecting them!
Oh, chisel, my
Because
bad.
we have to do it at the same time.
Okay, ready? Ready to cook. Okay, 3. Why can't I collect them? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay,
Hi.
Marcus, are you ready?
I have loads of meds. I'm good.
About to go beast mode. No, that's not copyright, is it?
No, because if you sing it, it's technically counted as a parody.
So I can sing everything.
Yep. Just don't. Because it's annoying as fuck.
Georgia.
Logan?
What was that noise? It sounded like.
Logan, help me.
Oh, we need C4.
No, we don't.
How do you already have a spear?
Because I made it. Do you have no sticks?
I got no sticks. Yes, no sticks. Can we go?
Nope. I have 0. I had 2 sticks.
Ouch.
Do we actually need C4 for this?
I think you do, and I have C4. But we don't have the coins. And did you die?
No?
You need a C4. Oh, grenade! You have a grenade.
Good point. Don't you have a grenade?
I use it on you.
Oh, the C4's right here.
Right there.
On the ground, right there.
Oh, I'll do it.
Okay. Got it.
Watch this. Oh, he's broken.
Go back.
Eliminated. Ooh, what's that?
Mm-hmm. Oh!
Guys. Whoa. I hate this game. I don't know why we're playing this.
I'm so bad at throwing. Is it dead?
No! Oh, it's dead, Marcus.
Yeah.
We Gucci.
Who's playing that funky beat?
Oh, it won't be. Oh, more paperwork, bro. Oh, shit.
Oh god!
Oh. Frick. Yo, flip. What the flip, bro? I killed it.
There's a fingers.
Holy shit, bro.
Quick, grab this. Wait, there's one behind us.
On this leg. Oh, I see it. Hello there. Cheap shot, bro. Cheap shot.
Fingers.
Oh, frick.
Oh. Inside of its mouth is its weak point, by the way. Where did my spear just go? I think I just lost my spear.
What is bro doing? Bro is doing the twirls. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. You can keep doing the twirls. Holy shit, come back here, boy. Yeah, get destroyed.
Oh, I see my spear. It's in the roof. Right behind him.
If I'm about to die, you need to...
I don't have my spear. It's gone.
I saw it.
Found it.
Okay, it's not.
I got it.
Wait, loot this guy. I need
No.
to first kill him.
There's two.
Run. I'm one shot. I'm literally one shot.
We can run backwards in this game. Logan, they're coming over to you. Oh, it can jump. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. I can't sprint. I can't sprint. I can't sprint.
Okay.
It's super sprinting at me.
Did you throw a grenade?
Yep.
You can quickly try to revive me.
No, I can't. He's on top of you. Is he still on top of you?
I don't know. I can't see. Yeah, he is.
Yeah, I figured he was. Oh! I was at half health and he just...
Fantastic. Oh, but we're back in the K. That's great. We can easily kill him now.
Is that
Yeah. What was that noise?
him? I feel like you should get 2 creepy armor from this guy, but yeah, all good. Oh, babies.
I hate the babies, bro. I actually hate them.
Yeah, because they do that.
Hit me there.
Then you'll die, yeah. Logan, why'd you do this to me? Pop!
You're fine, right?
Why is he backing
Yeah,
off?
back it up, boy. Watch him hit now, look. Ooh.
Though
There's a
does
guy
he
there, there's a
know
guy behind
that
you.
I'm right?
Th-
He's dead.
What is this guy, bro?
That's a trick. Fuck. Let's creepy armor these guys.
Okay, he's right here.
Oh, we already creepy armored that one. $26.
Bro, this game is so fun. What is it? What? Do you still have big heads on?
What? No.
What are you?
The way you're skedaddling towards you.
Watch this. I'm about to.
Oh, I'm full on creepy armor.
How do you know? What? How does it?
Because
say?
it threw some out, which means I'm full on it. Should I just chuck it all on?
Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I did it.
Look at me. This is fucking disgusting. Alright, let's go. You know how armor worked in this game, eh?
Not a clue. Oh, it's like extra hits. Right.
Yeah. No. It's literally just an add-on to your health. That doesn't come back, that you can't get back unless you put armor back on. Holy shit, this area of the cave is massive. What's that? Oh, it's
Another
fingers.
finger.
I feel like this is the main story cave that we just waltzed into.
Okay.
He hit you and did 1 creepy armor damage.
Yeah, I don't know. He's getting comboed, like.
Oh!
He died.
Where did you come from?
That's kind of annoying. Oh, he didn't break me. Alright, let's do this one first.
All of the ones on your body are gone.
Are they?
Yep.
Well, I'm gonna get an extra. Did you not lose one?
No.
Wait.
Okay.
Yeah. Get roasted. Burn like a chicken nugget. This leads outside, doesn't it? I remember this cave. I mean, what? But I do remember this cave.
Babies.
I'm just not with you. I think it did.
Oh my god, they're all going after me.
Is there another one? Oh, they're like rents. Ouch.
That might have hurt.
I could just. I just got your spear.
What? No, you didn't.
Yo, you threw it at it, didn't you?
I have it though.
Yeah, I have one as well.
It's a stick. Okay, I've lost half my creepy armor.
Same.
I think it was
Don't
a
you
rare occurrence when you
ever-
can't.
Oh
Oh, it
my
actually is the
goodness.
zipline.
Oh,
Oh, is this a harpoon?
I think this is the harpoon. Well, no,
It's
this is
definitely
This
the
is
zipline.
zipline.
Let's go. That's not what I meant to do.
Cool.
Why do you need this thing to go across zip lines? You don't even use it to go across the zip line. You just like hold on top of it. What does this do? What?
Okay.
Can you make zip lines? I just accidentally shot my things and now they're gone.
Bro. Oh, these are twins. Marcus.
Oh, that is how this works. It's a zipline creator.
Ouch.
Be careful. They hurt you.
Yeah.
Ah!
Ow, we did like combo on me. Bro was swinging his arms like you know, like babies do. But no, I don't mean babies. I mean like toddlers. When you fight them.
Why are you fighting toddlers?
You know, like play fighting.
You know when you're fighting toddlers?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep, it is.
Should we? I think we should focus on building a house now.
That's the next episode.
No.
Because we're ending the episode right here.
We are.
Yes, we are.
Well,
Alright, bye bye. Oh, Dad.